So today's video is about getting all necessary information from buyers. When you're ready to start a new gig on Fiverr, it's important to gather all the necessary information from the buyer before you begin. Here are some pieces of information that you should try to get from your buyers before you start. Make sure you understand exactly what the buyer wants and needs before you begin. This should include a clear description of the project, its goals, and any specific requirements or constraints. Deadline. Establish a clear deadline for the project and make sure you can meet it. Understand the perspective of buyer and make sure you can deliver the work accordingly. File format. Make sure you know what format the buyer wants and the final deliverable in, and any specific software or tools that should be used. Communication preference. Ask client for time and language he is comfortable to communicate. Ask the buyer if there are any additional details, questions, or concerns they would like you to keep in mind while working on their project. By gathering all this information before you start, you can ensure that you are on the same page with the buyers and that you have all the information you need to deliver a high quality product that meets their needs. For more valuable videos about Fiverr and freelancing, must subscribe my channel and like this video. I will be coming with more beneficial content.